Hey, I thought I'd give you a little information here. This is my first Kubota. I've had Gravely for 8 years, and the Kawasaki finally blew up. Now, I have to admit, I wasn't great at the maintenance. And I mean, I ran it and I ran it. This is the Z781i. It's got the Kawasaki FX850V fuel injected, which means it's got 29.5 horsepower. Torque, man, it's got some torque. I'd say, I can't remember, 46, maybe at 2,800 RPMs. 8-gallon fuel tank, single tank. I love that. I don't have to worry about any crossover switching or anything failing there. The deck, I love the way the deck works. It's just a screw dial here. Parking brake's awesome. I got to tell you about the seat. Man, is this seat comfortable. Obviously, it's a suspension seat, but the armrests are nice and wide, plenty of padding, and it almost feels like leather. I know it's not, but man, does it feel like it. But my elbows are always on, and these are cushioned. Cushy, cushy, cushy. They got air in them. And they're always within reach of these, no matter where I put them. I go all the way forward, I still have my elbows on here. And it takes a lot of stress off my wrists. But man, number one thing here, number one, this machine is fast. I don't know exact speed, but my productivity, I got 8.5 acres across a couple properties. You put the power, you put the speed, and it's cutting my mowing time way down. And the way the deck works and the way it cuts, it doesn't build up. It gives a clean cut all the time. You know, if you're doing commercial work and you got to have those nice lines, this will do it. Obviously, commercial frame, we all know that. Crazy heavy duty deck. Even got some extra tread plate here on the top. They've got the holes all throughout the whole thing. Serviceability is a breeze on this. There is no problem. I can reach my hand right in here, grab that oil filter. Plenty of room. This engine, I'm telling you, this engine weighs like 124 pounds. It's a big boy. 850 some cc, but the serviceability of it, they built the frame wide enough. For once, it's wide enough for me to get in here. Look at right here, it's on top, piece of cake. I'm not fighting anything to get to the air filter. Check the oil, piece of cake. Things that might go bad, coil, whatever, it's all right there. So they really, fuel filter, very accessible. Now, let me tell you about the motors, because the transmission. It seems like everybody's going to sealed hydraulic pumps, and these are sealed, so they're non-serviceable. Obviously commercial grade. Your oil access is right here, hydraulic oil, and then it's, you know, they're kind of buried down in there because of this massive fuel tank. I mean, massive. So it kind of covers where you want to make sure you keep those fins clean, because heat is what destroys any hydraulic pump. But if you got the bucks, it's great. And I would say that's the only drawback, is how much it costs. Now you can check your oil here on this for this pump right here. Controls all up here, all digital. Digital fuel gauge, digital temperature, digital battery voltage. You can flip this over here for a couple other things. I really haven't had to mess with any of that because the light does come on when it needs serviced. The deck release, deck lock, piece of cake right there. And no effort at all to raise and lower the deck, which is really nice. Now, if you noticed, Airless tires. Ooh, these are beasts. I think these are Michelin. And I've never had these before. Another game changer. They'll still bite, and if you turn too hard, you can tear up. But the traction is incredible. I've been in tall grass, wet grass, muddy grass, you name it, no problem. And fuel economy, it does like to use gas. That I'll admit. Serviceability of the belt, pretty much like all of them. You know, you got your access here, of course, and your adjuster over on that side. I do like these plastic covers. I don't need to get out any kind of a tool to pop up the cover to clean under here or look at the pulley. If you want to drop the deck, that's not bad at all. Pull pins on all four pins right there. It is all belt all the way back, so it's not a shaft drive or something like that. But man, I'm not complaining. So at least consider testing a Kubota gas. I mean, we all know the diesels are phenomenal, but the gas, fantastic. So there you have it. Check them out.